Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome to this session. From the last sessions, we are continuing the story of the Google Forms. After the previous day session, one of the participant they sent their query via comments box like the Google Drive how to observe all the responses whenever we are giving an option to upload a file. If you are giving an option to upload the file in the questions, then how to observe the responses whenever you are giving the answer like file upload, how to observe the responses in Google Drive. Please remember, whatever the name you are giving to this particular form, I am giving the name like quiz. Immediately in the Google Drive, there will be one folder that will be initiated with that form name. Please observe quiz file responses. Whenever you are clicking it, the particular question upload payment receipt, that is the question we typed in that place. Whenever we are selecting the type of the file like PDF, in the previous session I demonstrated by changing the options also for that particular question. Whenever I am considering the document type like PDF, I uploaded this particular PDF. Whenever I am selecting the file type like image, this particular logo I uploaded. You can observe from the previous session clearly. So same files they will observe in the place of Google Drive. So automatically there will be a dedicated folder. So generally there may be a confusion like those files may be appearing in this place like individual documents. But don't worry, as per the file name means Google form name, separate folder will be available in the Google Drive. Then automatically you can identify all the responses easily. One more query is about the password. I have shown if the question is like password, you are supposed to give a number. The number is equal to option you need to frame. If you are observing the input like 1 2 3 4 5, the custom error text I am using like password is wrong. Please go to the preview. If you are giving the correct password, then it will be accepted. If you are giving wrong password, then here you will observe a comment like password is wrong. Password is wrong. So in that way you can use the password option. Password you are typing in this place. You are supposed to check here the sub options like you are supposed to select number equal to option you need to consider. Here you are supposed to give the particular number as the password. Is it okay? That is one query asked by one of the participant via mail. Their request is to explain about creation of the password one more time. Okay, that is clear. One more query about the password is how to set multiple numbers for password. I will show the demo now. Here question is there. I am removing this one. This also I want to remove. Okay, untitled. This also I want to remove. Okay. So only in this quiz email address password only email address and password they are available. Please observe, the place of password, if you are considering the number and if you are considering the option equal to, and if you are given one number like 1 2 3 4 5, that will be using like the password. If you want to use more than one number, means 10 students are there in your class, roll number 1 to roll number 10, you are giving numbers to them. The student with the roll number 1, he or she is supposed to use the password like 1. You are giving the password like 2 to the second student. So similarly, you want to give 10 numbers as the passwords to all the 10 students. Then how to set all those passwords in this place? Then instead of the number, you are supposed to use regular expression. Here you are supposed to select matches. Here you are supposed to select pattern like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Just I am giving 7 numbers here. Please observe, in between those numbers I am using a symbol. In your keyboard, exactly below the backspace button. Please make a note it. In your keyboard, the computer keyboard, exactly below the backspace button, backslash and a single R symbol, both will be available. You are supposed to select that particular symbol by using your keyboard. The physical meaning is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 different numbers I have given. So if the password is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, if any other number they are giving as the password, then you may enter the comment like password is wrong. Let us see the preview now. Mail ID is abc@gmail.com. I am entering the password as the 9. Please observe, the password is wrong. It is saying I am entering 10. Password is wrong. I am entering 5. Submitted. I want to submit another response. I want to enter the password like 5. Form is submitted. Please observe, you have given the option like 1 to 7. Different numbers are there. So if they are entering any number between 1 to 7, the form will be accepted. Means you will supply the password to the individual candidate. Is it okay? You are supplying the password to the individual candidates. So you are supposed to pick any one number out of these possibilities. Means before creating the form, before sending the password, you will choose here all the possible options. By using this particular symbol, you are supposed to separate them. Then any one number they may enter as the password, then form will be submitted. If other number they are entering, then form will not be accepted to submit. One more trick is I will show. Here I am showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 different numbers I am showing here. Only for your convenience I am increasing the zoom. Now it is very clear to you. Please observe here, equal to symbol I am selecting. Please observe in the Excel sheet, CONCATENATE, CONCATENATE. Please observe very clearly. Concatenate. concatenate, that particular function is available. Select that particular function, equal to symbol, and the particular formula concatenate I am selecting. I am clicking the first value. Is it okay? I am clicking the first value, then comma, inverted, then I am using inverted commas, and I am using the R symbol, and I am selecting the first value here. In the second place, equal to symbol, again I am selecting same function, that is nothing but concatenate. I am selecting the previous value. Please observe, I am selecting the previous value, comma, I am selecting the second value, comma. In the inverted commas, I need to use R symbol. I am fixing the formula in the second place. Now no need to write formula for every cell. I am clicking here. Simply I am dragging, means the individual numbers I am putting the passwords like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I am getting a sequence in this way by using formula in the Excel sheet. Simply I may copy the last line and I may paste in this place as the password. Then you may ask one doubt. 1, you are using some R symbol. 2, R symbol. 3, R symbol. 4, R symbol. So simply we can type like that. Again, why are you telling this particular MS Excel trick? If it is your doubt, please listen carefully. Instead of 1, please observe, instead of 1, if it is the hall ticket number of the student 12AH0401, second hall ticket number 12AH0402, third hall ticket number 12AH0403, then is it possible to type all these things in this place? If I am saying like password is 1 or 2 or 3, myself or yourself you may type easily 1 R symbol, 2 R symbol, 3 R symbol, 4 R symbol, simply we can type. But if the hall ticket number of the student is supposed to copy in the place of the password, then it is very difficult to type all those things. Then you are supposed to use this particular trick. Then you will copy the last line in the place of the Google form. Now see the preview. I am selecting 406 as the password. Okay, purposefully I am changing the 6 to 8. I am submitting the form, but password is wrong because only we have given 401 to 406. Only 6 numbers we are considering. Now please observe, I want to give 405. Then form is submitting. So in this manner you can say, or you can give a instruction to the student such that the student is supposed to enter their hall ticket number or registered number as the password to the Google form before attempting it. So in this way you may create the complete expression easily. Complete expression easily. One more time I am telling, equal to concatenate in the brackets this particular value comma in the inverted brackets R symbol. This particular line should be pronounced like a R symbol that will be available just below the backspace button in the keyboard. Please observe your keyboard. Below the backspace button the particular symbol is available. Then in the second line equal to concatenate in the brackets the particular value and previous value you are supposed to choose, and again in the inverted brackets R symbol you need to insert. Then simply you may click the particular cell to expand the formula for remaining cells. Finally you are supposed to choose the last expression and you are supposed to copy in this place regular expression. If the expression is matching with any one of the following components, then the form will be accepted. Okay, in the previous session actually I told if you want to choose multiple parameters as the password, that is following a different procedure. But yesterday after the session one participant they sent a query like please explain that process also. So now I hope it is very clear to you. In this way you may use their hall ticket number as the password. So now I am deleting this particular question. So actually for this session the selected topic is how to prepare the quiz using the Google form. How to prepare the quiz using Google form. So first of all, if you want to conduct quiz examination using the Google form, first of all you are supposed to go to the settings. You are supposed to select limit to one response. You are supposed to select this as the always, means after the examination the student is supposed to get the response copy also to his mail. You are supposed to uncheck this one, edit after submit, because after submission they are not supposed to edit. Please observe here quizzes tab is there. Compulsory here you need to select make this as the quiz. If you want to show the grade immediately, please select here. If the student is supposed to observe the correct answers, point values, missed questions, we are supposed to choose these three boxes. Generally we are supposed to choose, means we are supposed to show tick mark in these three boxes compulsory. Then we are supposed to save our form. Now I am showing. Sun rises in which direction? If I am giving multiple choice, I may show two options, east or west. So please observe here, whenever the form is meant for quizzes, means in the settings, compulsory in the place of quizzes, we are showing the command like make this as the quiz. We saved it already. So it will ask answer key. Okay, I am showing east as the correct answer. Then here, how many points do you want to give to this particular question? You need to mention points also. Then click the done symbol. Please see the preview. Mail address abc@gmail.com. Sun rises in which direction? East. Submit. View score. After submission they will get the label like view score. The student email ID, total points. Only one question is available in the form, one by one. Reason is correct answer east. They selected like that, means they are getting 1 point. Suppose I want to see the preview one more time. Okay, please observe. Already in the settings, limit to one response. In the demonstration also, I clearly told you, please select limit to one response, because you are supposed to stop the candidate to attempt the quiz for more than one time. But here, for explanation sake, purposefully I am unchecking this particular box. abc@gmail.com. I am giving purposefully the answer as the West. I am submitting the form. View score option is there. So please observe, here I am getting 0 points out of 1, because it is giving a comment. Your option is West, that is wrong. So you got 0 marks out of 1. The correct answer is East. So in this way, after giving answers to the quiz, the student will able to identify the correct answer. They may identify their mistakes. They will identify the total points they earned. Now I want to use short answer. Who is our PM? Okay. Here, please observe, Modi, comma, Narendra Modi, comma, N. Modi. May mark all other answers as incorrect. So who is our CM? I may write like Jagan. You may write like YS Jagan. Some other fellow may write like YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. So all the possible answers we need to include here generally. Then we are supposed to show the number of points. Then we are supposed to click the done. Let us see the preview. Sun rises in east. Who is PM? Purposefully I am giving the answer like Jagan. Let us see what will happen. See the score. Please observe, only 1 mark I am getting out of 2, because sun rises in which direction? Purposefully the correct answer given. Who is our PM? I am supposed to give the answer like Modi or Narendra Modi or N. Modi. But purposefully I typed like Jagan to show you the demonstration. So that is a wrong answer. So 0 marks. So now see the preview one more time. Sun rises in east. Who is PM? Modi Saab. Now see the score. Still only 1/2. Please observe. Please observe. Here Modi is the wrong answer that was shown. So please observe that option shown as the wrong answer. Now go to the form and identify where is the problem. So whenever you are typing the question, here you are supposed to give the correct answer. But please observe here, Modi, Narendra Modi, N. Modi. Different options we have given. Now please observe, I am entering all the possible option in different lines. Okay. Mark all other answers as incorrect. Done. Now see the preview. I am submitting the form. Now I am getting 2 points, 2 out of 2. 1 point for sunrise and which direction east, who is the PM? Modi Saab. So in the previous case, what was happened? In the previous case, please observe. Even the answer is Modi, but 0 points claimed to the particular question. Where is the problem? In the question, whenever we are mentioning the answer key, we are supposed to write sub options in 3 different lines, one by one. But whenever you are giving the sub options like Modi, comma, Narendra Modi, comma, N. Modi in one place, then by selecting one sub option also, the student will get 0 marks. So all the sub options you are supposed to compulsory enter one by one. You need to select multiple options here. One by one you need to give all the possible options and mark all other answers as incorrect. If you are not checking this particular box, whatever they may enter, they may get the mark. So now I am adding one more question. Now I want to use checkboxes. Please observe here some question I have given two different options like option X, option Y I have given. For the option X, 1 point I have given. Now I am removing the previous questions purposefully. Because I want to show the demo very quickly. Email address compulsory you are supposed to select from the student. Question is there. I am choosing the option X. Let us see what will happen if I am selecting the option Y. Please observe in the checkboxes even more than one option also the student may supposed to select. Let us see only if option Y they are selecting. Their score is 0 because already we have given in the question paper for option X 1 point, for option Y 0 points. Now let us see the preview one more time. I am selecting only option X. I am submitting the form. The score is 1 mark because already we have given 1 mark for option X. Let us see the preview one more time. I am selecting both the options. I am selecting both the options. Let us see what will happen. Please observe. Option X is correct, but In the checkbox, there is a chance to choose all the sub options. That is the inherent format in the Google form. So if the student is selecting both the boxes, even if correct answer is included, then also he or she is getting 0 points only. Means whenever only particular option is correct, compulsory we are supposed to choose multiple choice only. Suppose if you are given 1 mark for option X and 1 mark for option Y, then if they are able to check both the boxes, then they will obtain 2 by 2. If only one option is correct, if you are giving 1 point, by mistake if the student is selecting all the possible options, then they are getting 0 marks only. So in this way, for each and every question, compulsory as a faculty you are supposed to see the preview, and if everything is clear, then you are supposed to give this form as the examination quiz to the student. Now please observe, in the place of the answer key for the option Y also, now see the preview. Option X, option Y, both the options I am selecting. Now after selecting both the options I am getting 2 marks. Is it okay? Now let us see the preview one more time. I am selecting only one option as the answer. Now I want to see the score. Please observe. Here I am getting 0 marks. Reason is, if both options are selected by the student, then only the student is supposed to get 2 marks. In the question, I marked both the answers as correct. So if the student is supposed to select these two to get 2 marks, otherwise they will get 0 marks instead of 2. So you need to consider all these sub points before preparing the quiz question paper. So in the next session, I will tell about multiple choice grid and checkbox grid, and I will show the mechanism how to send the certificate to the student using Certify EM add-on. So this is the end for this session. Thank you one and all.